What's up, guys? Devin with Venture Hobby Passion back today doing another video. We're actually doing first mod part 2. We are redoing, or not really redoing, but we're doing an additional part. Hey, there's my drug dealer, UPS. Doing an additional part for our intake, which is the first mod ever. If you haven't seen that, go check that video out. First mod video I ever did on the Tacoma. I got an Airaid intake for the Tacoma, so I already got super excited. So it's already partially installed. I have the early Tacoma, so I get to use both bleeder valves. I'm actually going to show you guys this. So on the earlier Tacomas, I think the 98, you have to use these two air screws, and then this is for the PCV, I'm pretty sure. It includes parts for the other ones. It's down here. It's got a plug in that bag. So if you had a later Tacoma, you plug this one off and only use one hole. I have an early one, so I screwed both of them in. And I screwed them in nice and flush. You can't even see it. Nice and flush so they don't stick past, so it has really smooth airflow. You know, we got to get the most horsepower we can out of this. So now we're going to put both these clamps on. We're going to install it to the truck, but we got to take the old one out. So let's take this down and take the old one out and throw this one in real quick, and I'll be right back with you when this is installed. All right, I'm going to do a before video. This is the old intake. And I need to get a new K&R and air filter because this doesn't hold it in good. So that will be ordered and put in before I get, before I drive this thing, because I'm not chancing anything. Also, my engine bay really needs to be cleaned. I went driving in the mud last time, and it got all over in the engine bay. But you know, it's fine. So let's take this off. Also, it wouldn't be a Devin video if I didn't weigh it. So we're going to weigh that one and that one. I can't do it with the camera because I don't have my cameraman, because Keith couldn't show up today. His car's having problems. But, you know, go check his channel out. So let's weigh these now. All right, drum roll, please. The weight difference between it is, well, this one is 2.6 pounds. This one is 1.6 pounds. So we're saving 1 pound of weight savings. Hashtag horsepower, weight to power ratio, whatever it is. So now I got to take that old hose off, and put it on. All right, well, we are installed. Super clean. It removes a ton of stuff right there. I mean, well, I guess we're not installed because we got this and this one to do. But the tubes are in. That's how it's going to look. I need to figure out, do I want it this way more, or this way, or... Yeah. But that's installed, so we will get a new one of these, and then we will go for a ride in the truck. See if we can see a difference. Probably not, but it's cooler. And I can work on my spark plugs and not have to take my intake off. So that's nice. I don't know if it's $180 nice, but it's nice. Alright, well, we will catch you when we get our new air filter. Alright, so we just got back from the parts store. Keith came with me. And she's installed. Nice and good. So let's take her on a test drive. So Keith is going to get the first start up. This is actually a really cold start. I haven't driven the truck in like 2 weeks. I literally installed the intake like a week ago, and I haven't even started it. So this is gonna be a true cold start. I mean, it is springtime, so it's like 60 or so. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna do a cold start, so Keith's gonna hold you for it. Firing.
It's a little bit, not too much.
But, you know, we're gonna warm her up. We're gonna grab a hoodie, and we're gonna go drive it around. see what the impression is. So we're gonna go drive around in a little bit of city, and then we're also gonna go off-roading because I gotta go check on my mountain, see if it's all right. All right, well, we'll hit it. Woo! You can hear it a little bit more up front. Not much, but...
No, but that's a good, clean sound. I think that sounds better than your Veloster.
Yeah. But, you know, I wasn't even going hard. That was just a 3,000 RPM acceleration.
Which, that's very impressive, actually.
Now it just needs an exhaust, because that was definitely a lot more intake. But...
Oh, it was definitely more intake.
Alright, well, we'll do some more pulls for you. Keith's actually getting a GoPro so you can see inside the cab, and we'll film it like that. So, yeah. See, you hit it, but I didn't think it actually did.
I know, right? That's what I was like, I thought I might have, but I'm not surprised at all. I bet money to renovate the museum sucker to no IL back.
I wouldn't have.
I actually thought it was not a bad layout.
I had to get some food. He got his parts for his Mustang. Gotta go get some food. And my driver window doesn't work no more. So it's gonna be down probably this whole trip.
Country boy life.
But yeah, now we're gonna get on a little bit of an acceleration.
Please do not send the marinara sauce into my lap.
I'm gonna go forward. I'm gonna get it to go straight, and then I'm gonna try to get it to go. Never mind, there's a car in front of us. Alright, you can hear it a little bit more. I don't think I gained any horsepower.
Anything from 5 or 6. But you're gonna have a problem like me having your foot in the floor. Like again, it drinks like a
throttle
V8.
response is a lot better.
Yeah. It drinks like a V8, but power of a 4-cylinder.
Yep. All right, well, we're going off-road, and we're gonna see how it is. So far, my driving experience is when I want throttle, it's there.
More power, baby.
I don't think there's more power, but when I want more power, I can give it more power, and it's there quicker. I think that's the biggest reason why everyone buys this intake. You ready for some of this? That'll probably help. Let's see what she can do. I'm gonna just throw her in low. Hey, when it's there, it's there.
Yeah, I was like, whoa.
Oh,
Are you doing a spinning trick?
No, I'm just, I have my foot on the brake
Do it again.
for like a burnout. I'm just saying, listen to the intake. You're thinking tripping.
Oh. Okay, wallet check, we're good. Yeah, dude.
When I want it, it's there.
I think you gained torque.
Well, that's just me putting my foot down further.
No, I know. It's like, you couldn't, like, you used to not.
No, I probably should turn that off. I don't know, dude. I don't need the reverse lights on.
No.
Should we send it off this?
Do we want to?
Probably should.
I'm like, if we had one other brake up here, I'd say, yeah.
Hit Tanner went up it. And it was nutty. That was horrible. Horrible. Well, I was digging trenches, so I was like also ruining the trail.
Yeah.
And couldn't quite make it up all the way, but Alright, you don't turn that off.
Pause.
Alright, well, we're gonna go up this trail. I've never gone up before. Doesn't look too hard. Yeah, we're just gonna swing behind this way. Put our back tire on that. It'll be fine. Oh yeah, all day long, whatever. Look, Mommy, it was harder to take this way. Till you run it off the mountain, jeez. Steering radius sucks in this thing.
Ooh, trail.
That's the main road. Alright, well, hopefully you enjoyed that video of installing the intake into Katie. I freaking love it. Throttle response is there every time I want it. It's very responsive now. Again, Keith kept thinking that there's more power. I don't think there's any more power. I personally just think that the throttle response is a lot quicker with it now, and I do need to tighten up my throttle cables, but I'm just not super worried about that. We'll just have to see how it is. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.